It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up. Destroy everything! Destroy everything!
This love ain't yours for the taking. And baby, this heart can't tell what's right or wrong. I know that no love ain't real if something's broken. But I know that we both gotta know it's time to let go. In the end, it's only down to us. There's no love nor love. And I hate that.
Sige, mamuntag.
Mga besh, mga bay.
Napa kami diri sa Banaue. Karong adlaw mo trekking kami sa Uska Waterfall. Tappiya Waterfall. So 5 hours daw ang trekking. Dili ko sure kung back and forth na siya or one way. I hope na back and forth. Tapoy man. So nindot ang panahon karon. Init kayo. Green kayo diri.
V-green.
V-green.
What's the Bisaya word for green?
Green.
green.
Hindi. It's verde. That's Spanish but.
Let's go with that.
Let's go with that. Sige, so kon. So yung rice para sa mga pamilya lang, dili sila ga-export sa uban na lugar. Ang mga tourists pwede sila magpalit o puska sako or little bag. Pero astig kayang rice para mismo sa ilaha. Diba?
Yes.
What are we gonna say?
Diba? All the rice out there is not enough for them this year.
That's right.
Yeah.
Because the families keep growing.
A whole lot of rice. Fresh as much and ginger.
I think usara ka basis sa usa ka tuig mag-harvest sila. Diba?
Once a year.
I think so.
Yeah, once a year they plant, once a year they harvest. That's
Not
it.
enough kay
Big families now.
big families na diri sa Pilipinas.
Many anoks.
Sige, so karon mag-trekking pa kami. So, sorry pa ta.
Tara. Hello, I'm Auntie and Day.
Whew. What a view. Heyo. Why isn't this one of the 7 world wonders?
It should be.
But it's the 8th?
The unofficial 8.
The unofficial 8th? So, comparable din siya sa Machu Picchu. Tungkol lang kaya wala pa ko nakakita. Pero astig man dire.
Jason, let us know.
Really run. We're not stuck and we're not free. I wonder if we'll ever be. And as dangerous as it is.
Sige.
Sige, gusto ko mag-announce, magsulti sa inyo na hangtod karon akong Spartans, wala pa naguba. Tapos trekking pa, wala siya salig sa iyang hobbies. Tapos na siya mga Adidas, social. Pero may blisters pa. Ako, hangtod karon wala blisters. So it's not too late na mobalhin ko mo sa Team Spartan kung naa ko mo sa Team Hobby.
Blisters from the shoot.
Pero unsay sapatos nimo? Kung naa kay Spartans, wala. Sige, so trekking pa ta. Yung hike, grabe steep ang decline. Pero pag mobalik kami, sagrado mas lisod pag yun. Okay. Taas kayo, kapoy. So mag-cool down kami diri sa waterfall. So ipitanong na mo ang fall sa inyo. Sa inyo lahat. Sa inyo tanan.
So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So numb. Doing all I can to move, but I can't. Oh no, I gotta let you go. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head. So dumb. I wish I could get you out of my head.
It was at this moment he knew. He f***ed up.
Just crashed my drone. Dang it.
How far away is it?
680 feet into the mountains.
There, maybe up there. Who knows?
Dang, that sucker hasn't dropped
And
though.
yesterday he flew it into a tree, but it was fine. And then he replaced everything.
Yeah, yesterday I was filming Joey doing the same thing, going backwards. Hit a tree, but luckily just the leaves. I think I have footage of it I can show you.
Pack up your suitcase, we'll find a new place. We'll cross the border, can't stay no longer in this. I don't wanna waste no time, feel it coming now, it's a sign. Never felt like this in my life, not waiting a minute.
And this time, not so lucky, into a mountain, but it's still there, hasn't fallen. But I have insurance, so I don't think I'm gonna hike to the top of that mountain, look for every tree. Sayang, pastilan. Sige, so nag-swimming kami, nalingaw kami, naghilak kami, tungkol na wala ang drone ko. O karon, muli na kami, kay kita mo, maulan na.
Yes.
Achiyahan. Pastilan yan sa ilang lengwahe. Achiyahan. Pastilan. Achiyahan. Sige, so muli na kami. Bisan wala ko drone sa akong backpack karon. Pero swerte ako kay last year nagpalit ko og insurance. So bisan na-discrash akong drone, wala na siya. Magpadala sila, check para nako, makapalit ko bago. Pero pag muli ko sa States. So musaka kami sa mga hagdan dire. Grabe ka steep. Kapoy na si Inday.
But I'm collecting ferns. This is a maidenhair fern.
Yung papa, expert sa mga kahoy, so siya po expert sa mga dahon. So, baklay ta. Then what happened?
So I was worried about jumping this distance because yesterday when I jumped too far and kind of tripped, and he went to help me, and now now he's sparring. Yuck.
Thank you.
Can I still have help? How does it feel to be washing your hands in UNESCO World Heritage water?
Forgive me. Sala ni Joey. Tara! Sige, so sa unang panahon, ang uban na tao, dili sila ganahan mo bury sa mga patay. So, gibutang ang mga patay diri sa mga gamay na kwarto. Kay mo nang tradition nila. So, dili ko sure kung napay patay diha. So, bisan yung mga bata, nagmoma sila. Masarap yan. Sarap yung moma. Again, ulit. Ilang taon ka na? Seven. Ikaw? 11? 12. Sige. Smile. Ano yun? Moma? Spit. Yeah. The remains of Moma. Pula yung bato. Ikaw.
Yeah, this is all mama.
No,
This used to be white.
sige, so mo ni siyang native house diri sa Banaue, sa Batad. Batad ni siya? Batad, no?
Batad.
Sige, so mag-explain siya kung unsa ni siya.
Yep. So this traditional house contains of 3 layers. We have the first layer. It's for animals to stay when it's like typhoon or rainy season, so they can always stay here. So they are covered by the house. So, and also at the same time, they these were a kind of woods they put inside, in the ground.
Storage.
Of course, for everything.
Keep it dry.
Yeah, and the second layer is for a place for a family to stay, and at the same time it was also a kitchen inside.
Really?
Yeah, kitchen at the same time. And everybody sleep together, like there's a place for them to sleep. Yeah, and the third layer was the part where you can
Oh, up there,
put the harvested rice. Yeah,
yeah. Okay.
on the third layer.
Nice.
So when you make fire, even if when you harvest your rice and it was not dry, you can put it upstairs, and then when you cook your food, the smoke goes up and it dries the rice.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, that's
Genius.
yes, yeah,
That's it.
Yep.
Native house.
yes.
And Joey with the Ascals. Always. It's 'cause she's a Filipino na Ascal. Filas.
Look at this.
Native Aska.
Look
Native
at this
Aska.
one.
Wowzers.
Food vlog.
Food vlog.
Food vlog.
Yung kanon. Di ka nasa man.
There. Look.
Wow. Dinner and a view. Actually, late lunch.
Yes. But
Yung manok,
this one's
imported.
Yeah, because the
The other manok,
tradition here with the chicken is to beat it while it's still alive,
just beat it.
and
It's supposed to be tasty.
yeah, it's supposed to be tastier. It's supposed to make the meat more tender, and it's really dark. Hello.
Focus.
Sorry, it's it's very dark colored, but I can't do that.
But this chicken's
I got a
not
big
beaten.
heart. Yeah, this one just
traditional
had
murder.
its throat slit, so that's okay.
Alright, so,
Ta-da!
kaon ta.
Going.
What's up?
What up in there?
Oh, what? So, astig ang adlaw karon. Sa duwa ka adlaw, mas ganahan ko dire sa Rice Terraces dire. Pero astig man nga hapon. Do you have any favorites?
Favorites here?
Yeah.
In this
This
trip? Walking through the Rice Terraces. Because it's very humbling to realize that it's something that was made 2,000 years ago and it's still here standing. And that, in the grand scheme of things, I am very minuscule. It's nice. And then you fell in the Rice Terrace, and then I was like, oh my god, this is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, get out.
Nagpasalamat kami ni Machete, kay astig siya na tour guide.
Yeah, machete's really cool. Another thing here is all the Askels are really nice. They're also fluffy.
Yes, because they adapt.
They adapt to the cold weather, so they got lots of fur. Except for Pats.
He's the exception.
He's an exception. But all the Askels are really nice.
Okay.
Philos.
Alright, so, kung gusto ninyo manin diri sa Banaue, ibutang na akong link sa tour. Kay astig man sila.
Very astig.
Very astig. Anyways,
Okay. Anyway.
we're out.
Salamat sa pagtanaw. Ug amping mo tanan.
Cause I don't know if it'll be enough, or if they really care. There's a stairway